The IRS has stopped me from evading any more of the taxes, as you can see, but I have a plan to escape. They don't know this plan yet. It's very interesting. Watch. Watch this. And now we wait. I'm probably just going to cut this out so you don't have to see this. They should get here in a moment. Most likely. Ah, here they are. This is police brutality. Good. We are now in the county jail instead of maximum security. Somebody tell me how to get out of maximum security, because I'm kind of sick of doing this. This is very normal. Not yet. Nope. The feds are on us. As we wait, I'd like to thank our sponsor, myself. La ti ti ta ti ti ta ti ti ta. Oh, good heavens, it's the feds. Ha 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 ha. Never pay our taxes. This car was unnecessary. Maybe not, actually. Oh, dearie me. Well, it wasn't necessary, it seems. It just blew up in my face. How rude. I shall take it out. I shall take out my anger on the local populace. I'm just a really good swimmer. That's why I'm not dead right now. Probably should have got ammo. Just saying. So I do have to tell you guys something regarding dewoken. I'm power 10 and didn't record it. I'll make sure I record it in the next time it happens, because I've been assaulted by at least 7 Voidwalkers in the past 7 minutes. That's why I'm playing this now, because I'm tired of it. Now if I drag you... Can I do this? Oh, he follows me. Okay, well, that's very confusing. Did anyone else see the new Tankfish video? He's one of my favorites. Defend me, boys. Make sure I do not have to pay any taxes. Honestly, I could probably just do that by being a billionaire, but... And now as I play mobile games on my phone, this is very chill. A little too chill. I should not be able to play video games on my phone. Hope they update this game soon. I like this new one, but we need a little bit more. I want you to be mine again, baby. I may post another deep-broken video in the next couple minutes. What should I title this? I think it shall be Raiding the Cargo Ship after I evaded my taxes for the 7th time. Good heavens. I fear we may be cooked, compadres. And I... Oh, sorry, I was just talking about my mobile game. This sole person is holding the line all by themselves. Wonder which is better, this or the bacon blaster. Oh no, it's a helicopter. What shall I do? I don't even need to do anything. For real. Oh, no, 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 no. Get out of here, get out of there, get out of there. They're gonna kill all my men. It's opening in a moment here. I'll probably cut out all the unwanted parts and add Family Guy gameplay in the background for you little children. Also, I do not know why, but the LMG does more damage than the M60. I love pillaging. I'm wanted by the FBI. The IRS got help, everyone. This cannot be. I do hope my men in the back will be fine, as there's only 2 of them and there's 6 of the guys in front. The soundtrack is a banger. Hope it's not copyrighted. There, done. More federal agents. We should be okay until we get to the robots. Let me know if you wish to see, like, a Peroxide or Rocket League video in the future. I hope to make more of those. Timeline? Got like 6 seconds. 60 seconds, pardon me. One million once more. The cargo ship is just the best. Oh. Military force has been declared. Every single, like, 3 or 4 shots is a dead SWAT. This is good. They might take out the helicopter, preferably. Thank you. 100 kill streak. It's playing heavenly music right now. I have no idea why. Is it because of my pure property damage that I had to do? It's on the... If you're wondering where I'm looking at these things, it's on the left and right of my screen. I'm probably going to cut out like half of this because it's unnecessary. Also, do tell if you want any more videos with Wi-Fi. Oh, it regenerated. Well, there's 30 seconds anyway. Oh, I did not bring a vehicle. So be it then. They spawn at literal light speed. Let's see how long these gentlemen can hang out by themselves without my input, but I'll inform you on that, and this will be the end of the video. Free money, do the cargo ship, very easy to defend. Best method.